Okay, I'm gonna stick you down a little bit for now. 11 by 14 is what we're doing today. So that's our flip cup. These are the colors. I'm gonna add a couple of drops of silicone to them. I am using the Artist Loft silicone oil. Still, it's good stuff from what I found. So. Two, three, four. I guess 5. Rest of them will get 4 though. I didn't mean to add 5 to that one. That's just it. So this is Riotech purple. This is Artist Loft in phthalo blue. This is Liquitex gold, and this is Artist Loft in metallic cobalt blue. Okay, onward. We'll stack this. I'll also use Artist Loft in titanium white just as a color to have if I can get it open. Okay, back. I had to run upstairs to be like, I need a man to open up my paint containers, please. So I'll be using Liquitex Basics in Payne's Gray as my base color today, just for something different, because why not? I have a cat hair in my paint. What else is new? So white, we'll go phthalo blue, gold. I'll do this purple first. Also, I was able to finally get materials that I needed. Excuse me, throat. Which was nice, to say the least, because, well, I desperately needed Floetrol in white and a bunch of, and blue. I had no blue left, so that was kind of no fun. Yeah. Add a little bit more white on top. And call it good. It's a really full cup. So, again, I'm gonna clean up real quick and I will be right back. I put on gloves too because, well, why not? And my hands are sweaty, so it was a bit of a struggle. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to bump the camera like that. And flip. Put it down. So this is, like I said, Liquitex Basics Payne's Gray. I wish I could kind of show you what I just did, but I like painted the side of the cup and I just don't want to pull you guys down because it will be a little bit of a pain in the bum. Okay, now lightly put the lid on this because I gotta clean it up for later. This, I want this. So I'm gonna try doing more colorful bases when it comes to my paintings. Why not, right? Everyone does white, so I figured I could be the different one and do, like, I don't know. I figured Payne's Gray would be a good start because it's not black. It's more of a bluey gray. I like it. It's pretty. Wow, it's thick though. I didn't realize how thick it was. The only difference is I'm gonna have to get my edges. So once I'm done spreading this around, I'll get my edges and then I'll be back to actually lift this thing. Yeah. Okay, now I'm done with that. I'll show you the cup once I'm done actually lifting it here. Also, for a change, I'm going to torch it before I tilt it. So. I have so much paint. Oh, so much paint. Oopsie doodles. Oh well. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna try to get some bigger cells, so. Cool. Okay. Let's tilt this. I'm going to try and tilt it very slowly so I can at least stretch these cells without losing too much. Like, I don't know what to keep. I like it too much. But there's so much on here. So, oh, yeah. Poor Jeff's mom, okay? This woman is so kind and bends over backwards for everyone, okay? And she was trying to clean some poor lady's, well, china cabinet, and the china cabinet came down on her. So she's suffering from a broken arm right now, and Jeff and I have been trying to do everything we can for her, and it's been interesting to say the least. Her arm turned in, like, it was gross. It was an interesting color, that's for sure. I'm not one for being extremely squeamish either, so seeing that, and I was just like, oh. And that says something, especially for me. Okay, there's that. These cells are huge and I love it. I'm excited to see what smaller ones will come up when I torch it again. Maybe I won't torch it again. I don't know. Yeah, I'll just put it like this. Why not? Yeah, so we've been driving her to the fracture clinic and this, that, and the other thing. And because of where the break is, it would seize her shoulder if she were to have it in a cast. So she's just stuck in a sling and in so much pain. And yeah, rotary. This woman's fragile. You touch her and she bruises. So it's kind of one of those, and you feel bad. We had to run to her rescue when it happened. Don't feel bad at all for that one. But yeah, look at these cells. Holy moly. I'm just trying to straighten this back out more. This thing over here looks like an eyeball, which is so neat to me. My hands are covered though. Just give me a second. Also, I have to thank one of my subscribers, Amber Tech Art something. I'm sorry, I don't remember your channel name right now, and she told me to use rubbing alcohol to get Sharpie off my lids, and well, I didn't have any. I had hand sanitizer because, well, hand sanitizer, and it worked so well. I was able to actually take off some of the marker off the some of the Sharpie that I had on this lid off so I could relabel it, and it worked so phenomenally well, and I'm so thankful. Thank you, Amber. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna let this sell out for a couple of minutes, and I will be back to give you a flyby of this. Just, oh my gosh. I'm loving this new blue I got. I'm happy I went back to phthalo blue, that's for sure. I've had some ultramarine blue in the past, but phthalo blue is just something so special, and it looks amazing, especially with a lot of these. Like, look at that. That is amazing. That is so cool to me. I don't know why, but it is. It looks like, I don't know, something. Like when, you know, when someone's leaking oil in a parking lot and this is what you see? Yeah, it's kind of one of those. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. Like this video if you like how this painting came out. I am just like, whoa. Huh, I didn't know I could do this kind of thing. But apparently so, because this is just so pretty to me. Probably shouldn't have used so much paint in hindsight, but this is still incredible. Like, share with your friends to spread the love. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you don't miss when I upload new content. All my social media links are in the description below, so make sure you follow me there. And yeah, I'll try to post more on my social media. I'm really sorry. I'm one of those, like, I'm boring. That looks like a neat little skull, doesn't it? I will see you all next time.